Here's how to take a selfie picture on your MacBook. Now, if you have a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, or an iMac, and you want to use the selfie camera to take a picture, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, to do this, we're going to open up the default app called Photo Booth. So at the very top right, just tap on the little search icon, and we're going to search for Photo Booth here, and hit return. Now you'll be able to see it immediately starts with your camera. You can see it has that selfie camera, and you can take a picture or take a recording. Make sure at the bottom left here, you can see it says take a still picture, or you can switch it to recording. And whenever you're ready, just hit the button and it will count down 3, 2, 1, and then take your picture. Now, of course, you can go over to the video if you wanted to tap on that, and it will count down again, 3, 2, 1, and then just start recording you using that selfie camera. You can just tap on that little red icon to stop it and pause that. Now, any of these different pictures here, you can right click on them, hit export. If you just wanted to put them in your documents folder or share them with somebody, all of that different stuff. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.